Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can get a fried rosary string in Hollow Knight. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just you will need to climb some slabs and go around this map. So I will show you quick. Just go straight right here to the left side and you will see that we are in Moss Grotto. Just jump. I will go and not fight everyone because time is expensive. And right here you can climb like this. Here you will need to ignore those little monsters. You can climb right here. And right here, if you go, you will get some vibration feel like that, like earthquake or something. But just go to the right. As you can see. And now you can look down and you'll see the fried rosary string. So just like this, you will be able to take it and you will get fried rosary string. So that's how you get fried rosary string in Hollow Knight. Thank you guys and see you in the next one. Okay guys, so I'm back and let's go right here. Just cross straight to the right and you will see some other design. Just fight these little monsters because they take health. Like this, collect all the shell cards. And here you will need to jump like this. Those are dangerous monsters, so make sure to bait them. Like this. And you will be able to collect all the shell cards right here. And now just climb back right here. And you will be able to climb up right here. Okay, I a little bit failed. But you can bait them and just go straight here. Collect all those shell cards because you will need them to heal yourself. As you can see. Okay. I fall down, so I will need to get back up. And right here, when you climb up, you will need to climb up here to the left, and you will see the next stage where you want to go. Right here, just jump, climb right here, and break those spines. And here you'll fight with the boss. Right here you'll fight with the boss, and that's how you beat Moss Mother. Just jump over them. As you can see. There will be some rocks falling down from the roof. From the upper floor. And here, when she gets down, just attack. And that's how you beat Moss Mother. It is simple and easy. As you can see, just jump it and you'll be okay. As you can see, it takes a lot of damage. And sometimes those little monsters starting to drop down. As you can see, some rocks falling on those monsters. Remember to heal when you're fighting this. And as you can see, that's how we beat Moss Mother. So it is pretty simple and easy, and that's the easiest part in this game. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.
Cadestre. Miofene.